Hello, YouTube people. This is Josh from Vertical Drum Co. I wanted to show a few things around our shop and just kind of explain how they work. It seems like every time we have people here at the shop, they ask questions and ask, what's this? What does that thing do? How do you blah, blah, blah within drum building? And a lot of this is kind of general woodworking stuff, but maybe I could show you guys a few of the tools and a couple of the ways that we do things. So first up, we have our table router. This guy we made ourselves, me and Evan. We took it to a friend's CNC shop, and they drilled all these holes in it. This is a 5x5, 1-inch thick birch ply, and it is really, really flat on the top, very true. So we're able to have our router in here. And this is the Craig router cradle. You can adjust the height here. You can change the bits from the top. It goes up and down pretty easily. And the nice thing with that is we can get really precise on cutting bearing edges without using a fence or anything. We can get down to the fractions of 1/64th of an inch if we want to. Usually we're making adjustments in about a 64th or 32nd of an inch. We've got bits and stuff here, all the tools we need to change bits and everything. And then the really cool thing with the way we have this set up is instead of reaching under the table, we actually have a button here, this guy. That turns on and off the router, so we can control it from here, keep ourselves safe when we're changing bits and all that. So the table itself is a downdraft table. Maybe some of you have heard of those or seen small ones, but I bet that's a new term for a lot of you. A downdraft table is kind of the opposite of an air hockey table. So all of these holes that are in the top of our router table actually go down into a small cabinet. It's only that thick, and that is a big chamber of air that's then connected to our dust collector. And with that, we can control it, turn it on and off there with the valve. But with that, when we have the dust collector on, it pulls all of the dust from the tabletop and from all of our cuts into the bags of the dust collector. So we have a way overpowered dust collector for our shop. It's a 3-horsepower jet dual bag system. And that pulls everything from our cuts when we're cutting edges into the bags of the dust collector. We can also sand back here. And then when we're done sanding, if the dust collector's on, we can just take a little air hose and clean up real quick. Saves us a ton of time. The other really cool thing with this is we have our dust collector rigged with a top collection area too. So that has a gate here. We can open up this gate and we can pull this guy off the wall, and then this can go in the drums as we're cutting. So this can kind of be down here as we're making our cuts. And then that pulls up anything that might cyclone and might come up and, get all over the place and go all over the room. So, that's how this works. That just goes up and over and back down into our dust collector. So this is not a dustless system. We definitely make a mess with some of this, but not nearly as much of a mess as we would if we didn't have any dust collection. This way we can make all of our cuts really quickly and as clean as possible, I should say. So, cleanup's really easy too. Grab the brush, grab the air, and clean it up while the dust collector's on, and you're set. So anyway, if you guys have any more questions about how we made this downdraft table or any of that, or you're still a little confused, make a comment, send me a message, find us on Instagram or website, any of that stuff. Happy to help you and, maybe help you out with your woodworking or your shop as well. So take care. Have a good day.